Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is March the 9th, 2025, and we're going to be starting some tomato seeds here today. You can see we already have some tomato seedlings growing here in soil blocks, and if you want to learn how to do soil blocking, I have a video on my channel to show how we do our soil blocking. So this tomato seedling here is just starting to come up. So we have our soil blocks here already all made up, and we have our neem oil mixed up over here. Now I do soak my seeds in neem oil because neem oil helps you get rid of blights and diseases off of your seeds. So I've been soaking my seeds, certain ones, in neem oil for years to help prevent blights and diseases from seed-borne things. And then we also do a soil drench with the neem oil solution to help prevent dampening off, and it just helps get the tomatoes off to a good start. So we're just going to lightly, gently pour a little bit of this over. You don't want to disturb the soil block. You just want to put a little bit in. That got a little too much there. You can use a turkey baster for this that you're not going to be using for food, or an eyedropper or something like that. And you want to just treat all your soil blocks with this mixture, which I'm going to finish this off then, and we'll be ready to start planting our seeds then. And I have my tomato seeds soaking in the neem oil here. Up first is the Chef's Choice Red Hybrid Tomato Seed. And just swirling this around a little bit in here. And we're just going to cover this here just a little bit there. Go. And these are going to get coated with a light coating of seed starting mix. Then when we're done. So we're going to wind up with 5 of these because 2 seeds accidentally got stuck together. We're just putting a light coating over the ones here that were already sown. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our neem oil solution and we're going to go over them. I'm just getting this top coating that we just put on wet. It's going to prevent dampening off disease by using the neem oil solution. There we go. So we're going to get the rest of this tray planted then. And then we're going to put these on the heated floor. Your tomato seeds usually germinate in about 7 to 14 days. And your temperatures for germination are usually between 75 to 80 degrees. So when this is done being sown, I'll come back and I will show it to you. So this is all finished being sown here. And we have our Chef's Choice Red Hybrid Tomato. We have our Park Whopper tomatoes. We did the Better Boy tomato, the Big Beef Plus tomato, the Early Girl, the Mr. Stripeys, which is the heirloom tomato. We did our own seeds that we've been collecting for years now. We did the Early Treat Hybrid, the Cherry Roma, which is an heirloom tomato. It's little cluster tomatoes. They're super, super sweet. And we did the Purple Russian tomato. That has a smoky flavor to it, and that's an heirloom as well. So we have 3 heirlooms that we did. And we're going to get this put on the floor now because their floor is our germination mat. We have heat in our floor. So that's our germination mat, and we're going to get them loosely covered, so we'll be right back. So we have our loose covering fitting lid on here, and the reason why we don't put our lids on tight is seeds need oxygen to germinate, and it allows for the excess heat to escape out, and it allows for excess moisture to escape out. So we don't put our lids on tight. We're going to check on these every single day. We're going to make sure that they're not drying out. Okay, so today is March the 12th, 2025, and you can see here the tomato seedlings are coming up. I took them off the heated floor and I put them up on the shelf in the greenhouse so they don't grow tall and spindly. These will continue to germinate even though they're up on the shelf in the greenhouse. So I just wanted to give you this quick video update here. Okay, so it's March the 14th and you can see more tomato seedlings have come up. And we're still waiting for some of these to germinate, but they are coming. I mean, you can see here's more coming here. So they are germinating for us here. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button to tell us to put a new video on. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Bye.